Performing patch budding. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials: budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock with a healthy bud stick, and another rootstock. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meets. Make a rectangular cut around the active growth part. Peel the bark around the cut area. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud into a rectangular shape, similar to the size of the cut in the other rootstock. Place the bud in the cut part of the rootstock. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the buds start to swell.